Hey guys, Ryan here, going to do a quick tutorial on how to make some small balance cleanups on Real Green System Service Assistant 5. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the adjustments button. We're going to click that, and it pulls up two different types of adjustments. So this is like if you need to make like different types of adjustments, one-time adjustments for people, but we're going to do a small balance cleanup. So we're going to click on this, and we see a new screen. So the first thing we're going to do for today is we're gonna check both branches. We use whatever branch you're affiliated with, but we're going to check both of them. Then the statuses, we're going to do all, select all. So you can select any status that you want, but for now we're going to select all. The balance amount is going to be $5. That's our typical company procedure. Customer type, you can do residential, commercial, or both. We typically always do both. The types of balances that we want to remove. We're going to be focusing today on credit balances and debit balances. So we're going to go to credit balance. The adjustment code that we're going to use, since this is a credit balance, we want to debit their account. So all these now are going to be debits. So what we're going to use is we're going to go down to the small balance debit. We're going to check that. The prepayment type, we want to just do all customers. Agent category, all. We don't need any flags, but this would be the opportunity that you would put flag codes down. So right now we're going to hit remove balances. Oh, we got one guy. It's Bill Osimo. He had a dollar. So it's already checked. Make sure this is checked. Look through the information. Everything looks great to me. We're going to hit post. Are you sure? Yes. Now his balance will be zero. We'll double check these when we're done, just to show you guys. So now we're going to go back to adjustments. We're going to go to back to the balance cleanup. We're going to check both branches. We're going to do all statuses. The balance amount is going to be $5. We're going to do both. Now here we're going to go to debit balances. So now when we get the adjustment codes, all these are credits. So we're going to go to the small balance credit. We're going to select it. Prepayment type. Again, we're going to go to all customers. Everything else is the same. We're going to remove the balances. Oh, looks like Alan Osimo, Bill's brother, hit a 50 cents. It's checked. The information looks right. We're going to post it. Hit yes. It's done. We go back to the journal. Everything's done. Let's just pull this up real quick. We'll do a customer search. Oops. Search. So Bill Osimo, balance is zero. Alan Osimo, balance is zero. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.